Hey y'all, this time I did a mixed media art piece. I had it in mind for a while and I finally got it done today. I think she turned out cute, and even though I didn't use a picture of her, she looks like one of my friends on Facebook. Anyway, here's how I made this one. Okay y'all, here we go. I was showing y'all that I was using a watercolor pencil to do my sketch with. And that's the first thing I did. I drew out my lady so I could figure out where I wanted to put everything else. I think it looks cool watching it when it's fast with everything coming together. Hope y'all don't mind watching this part. I should have picked an orange pencil, but for some reason I went with pink, but it ended up being okay. And when I draw faces, I never do get both sides the same, but I knew it wouldn't matter in this one because I was planning on putting long hair-like stuff on that one side anyway. Okay, done with my sketch now. So this part, I was laying everything out, trying to see where I wanted to put it, but it didn't really end up doing much good. As you'll see in the end, I only put a few things in the places that I had them here at first. But still, it helped me to look and see everything I had and get it all cut up and all of that. Y'all, glitter was everywhere. I mean, everywhere. So much glitter. I tried to get it up, but I'm sure there's still some somewhere. Last time I did a project, my husband gave me a hug and looked at me and says, "You got glitter on your forehead." So, who knows today where I got it. I kept losing all them little balls and them little flower thingies there. They were going all over my table. But anyway, I was thinking I was getting it figured out. That's them long things I'm going to use for the hair on the side. There, they gave you out a lot of glitter. Well, looked okay. Took a picture of it thinking I was going to do it that way. But, plans change. Yeah. So, now we're fixing to start really gluing it down. Oh, no, sorry. Gotta color it first. I'm using watercolor markers to do the actual painting. I decided since it was fall time, I'd give her an orange sort of color on her face. It ends up looking pretty good. I like drawing people, but I don't always make them look exactly like they're supposed to. I just do what I like and what I think looks cool. She comes together in the end and looks kind of neat, especially with all the fall colors we put in her hair. There we go. I'm just coloring everything in and getting it the way I want, and I dry in between because I don't want to take time to let it dry. You're not technically supposed to do watercolor on these canvases I got because they're for acrylic, but I do it sometimes anyway. I don't even know. I think they make watercolor canvases. If so, I need to get me some. But anyway, it works out for what I want, and I like how she turned out. So that's all that matters, right? Have y'all ever did watercolor on acrylic canvases? If so, let me know. She's smiling at us now. That's progress. Gotta get her glasses fixed. She's kind of smirking at us, not smiling, ain't she? She's like, cool dude here. Wanted the lips darker. Then I had to add a little mole. Yep, doing more lipstick. And I had to color in the glasses. Coming together now. We're getting there. Takes a little while to dry it when I do too much. Okay. Now, I know a lot of people don't, but I outline my drawings most of the time. I just like the way it looks. So I'll be doing that here in a minute. There, I was doing the eyes. I got a little bit too many eyelashes, but that's okay. There, I'm outlining it. I like how it defines everything. And I do more pop art style stuff instead of realistic. So it goes along with that usually. And now I'm actually gluing stuff down. Not where I thought I was, mind you, but I'm gluing stuff down. So you can see it all come together and how often I try stuff and then put it somewhere else. It took me a while to figure out exactly where I wanted all this stuff. Y'all are glad. You should be glad that I sped this up because it was way too long to figure out. I don't know what was wrong with me. I thought it would be easy, you know, but no. But I do like how it turns out, so that's good. I've had this in my head for a month, and I finally had time to do it today. I don't have no idea where I'm going to put it. We're building me a little crafting art studio out in the yard, but we've got a ways to go. We're almost done with the outside. Then we'll do the inside. I can't wait for it to be done. If you look in my videos, you can see how far along we were a while back, and it's almost time for a new video to show what we got done, but we still got a little ways to go. But we're getting there. It's gonna be so cute. Anyway, I got done with her hair, and now I'm fixing her necklace. I do like how it turned out. It was cute. Well, almost done with her hair. I still gotta add them. Yeah, here they are, them long ones down the side. Had to figure out exactly how I wanted them. And then I thought she had too much forehead showing over there, so I added a few more of the little bitty round beads and things. And then I did a little more paint, and I thought her forehead needed to be darker because it was in the shadow, all that stuff. And so then I had to dry it, and then I had to outline stuff again. But we're almost done. It's coming together good here. Get it all tidied up. And there she goes. And add that one little bead thing that fell off. Get rid of the hot glue strings and sign it. Yay! What y'all think? I think she's kind of cute. Please let me know in the comments if you like her or not. That's what I got done so far for 5.